The world has never seen a drag race quite like this. On one side, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X, packing a 5.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V8, delivering 1,250 horsepower and 973 pound-feet of torque, driving all four wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with direct drive, weighing 4,165 pounds. On the other side, the reigning fastest production car in the world, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire, with 3 electric motors generating 1,234 horsepower and an unbelievable 1,430 pound-feet of torque, in a heavier 5,280 pound frame. Adding context to this ultimate showdown, the 2026 BMW M2 CS, a 523 horsepower twin-turbo inline-six, weighing 3,695 pounds, and the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R, a 328 horsepower, 2.0-liter turbocharged all-wheel drive hatchback at 3,340 pounds, join the competition. 4 cars, 4 philosophies, 1 runway, and the ultimate test of engineering, speed, and raw torque is about to unfold. The Corvette ZR1X is the embodiment of aggressive American engineering. Its hybrid V8 setup, mid-engine balance, and ZTK track package combine aerodynamic precision with tire grip. The Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires allow it to harness all 1,250 horsepower efficiently, converting immense torque into forward motion with surgical accuracy. The massive rear wing adds downforce that keeps the tires planted at launch, giving the ZR1X the ability to dominate the quarter mile, even on untreated asphalt. Chevrolet claims an 8.675 second quarter mile on VHT-prepped surfaces and 8.95 seconds on standard asphalt, positioning this Corvette as the fastest American production car ever built. Meanwhile, the Lucid Air Sapphire represents a different approach: electric supremacy. Its 3-motor system delivers instantaneous torque to all 4 wheels, giving it a launch that can match or even surpass traditional combustion hybrid setups. The optional Pirelli P0 Trofeo RS tires optimize grip for real-world asphalt launches. Despite tipping the scales at 5,280 pounds, the Sapphire's instantaneous power and torque distribution make it a serious contender, one that has already left high-horsepower supercars like the 1,500-horsepower Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport and Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 behind in previous tests. Every inch of its chassis, from tire contact patches to suspension tuning, is designed to manage this immense energy and maintain control over its colossal output. For perspective, the BMW M2 CS and Volkswagen Golf R are included to illustrate just how extreme the Corvette and Lucid are. The M2 CS, with its 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, 523 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque, and 8-speed automatic transmission, balances track-focused performance with street usability. We give it a competitive start in the race, allowing viewers to compare how a smaller, more traditional sports car measures up against the hyperpower of the ZR1X and Sapphire. The Golf R, despite only 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, proves that lightweight engineering and all-wheel drive traction can allow a hot hatch to remain competitive in short bursts. To make the race fair yet dramatic, the Golf R gets a football field head start, and the M2 CS starts slightly behind the hypercars, emphasizing scale without compromising suspense. When the cars line up, the visual contrast is staggering. The Corvette ZR1X's wide stance, massive wing, and aggressive intakes radiate raw power. The Lucid Sapphire exudes a calm, aerodynamic elegance, betraying none of the brute force it houses. The M2 CS looks muscular yet composed, a benchmark for traditional sports cars, while the Golf R's compact and purposeful design shows that speed isn't always measured by raw horsepower. Every camera angle, from low drone shots to slow-motion side tracking, captures the tension, the engineering, and the physicality of the machines preparing for launch. At the drop of the lights, all 4 cars explode forward. The Corvette ZR1X combines hybrid torque and rear downforce to push through the asphalt with precision. Every gear change in the dual-clutch transmission delivers power without hesitation. Simultaneously, the Lucid Sapphire's electric motors unleash full torque, flinging it forward with a velocity that is instantaneous and relentless. The M2 CS responds with a high-revving, twin-turbo scream, delivering powerful acceleration across its 3,695-pound frame. The Golf R, despite its smaller engine, uses all-wheel drive traction to convert its head start into immediate speed, demonstrating agility and punch even among giants. The runway becomes a symphony of mechanical force, smoke curling from tires, and aerodynamic surfaces flexing under stress. The quarter-mile unfolds with heart-stopping intensity. The Corvette and Lucid trade every fraction of a second, each pushing the limits of their respective technologies. The ZR1X's hybrid V8, combined with its sophisticated traction management, allows it to maintain near-perfect launch efficiency.
Its 973 pound-feet of torque is applied progressively, preventing wheel spin while optimizing forward acceleration. The Lucid, by contrast, delivers its 1,430 pound-feet of torque instantly, a raw, continuous push that challenges physics and requires careful tire management. For spectators, the difference between combustion hybrid and pure electric acceleration becomes crystal clear in real time. Meanwhile, the M2 CS and Golf R demonstrate the spectrum of performance. The M2 CS with high-revving twin-turbo power hits 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, showcasing traditional sports car engineering excellence. The Golf R, lighter and smaller, relies on turbocharged torque and all-wheel drive grip, achieving sub-5-second 0 to 60 sprints. Though the hypercars dominate the main event, these vehicles provide context, allowing viewers to appreciate just how extreme the ZR1X and Sapphire really are. In side-by-side comparisons, the Corvette consistently maintains speed advantage over the M2 CS, while the Lucid briefly matches it, highlighting the precise balance between hybrid torque management and pure electric delivery. As the cars cross the finish line, the results are astonishing. The Corvette ZR1X demonstrates that hybrid engineering, coupled with aerodynamics and precise tire selection, can unseat the fastest electric sedan in real-world conditions. The Lucid Sapphire, while heavier, proves that instantaneous torque and optimal tire choice remain formidable. Both vehicles showcase cutting-edge technology applied to production cars, blurring the line between traditional internal combustion performance and next-generation electric acceleration. Meanwhile, the M2 CS and Golf R reinforce that everyday high-performance cars, though impressive, are simply a different tier on the speed spectrum. Beyond acceleration, this race highlights the interplay of physics and engineering. Weight distribution, downforce, torque curves, transmission efficiency, and tire grip all combine to influence outcomes. The Corvette ZR1X's 4,165-pound frame is carefully balanced with hybrid and turbocharged power to optimize launch performance. The Lucid's 5,280 pounds of mass are offset by electric motors that deliver full torque without delay. The M2 CS and Golf R demonstrate that chassis tuning, suspension dynamics, and drivetrain choice can dramatically affect acceleration and handling. Each car brings a different solution to the same problem: how to get from zero to maximum speed faster than anyone else. This cinematic drag race, captured with high-speed cameras, drones, and telemetry, is more than a test of acceleration. It's a lesson in modern automotive engineering. Corvette's hybrid torque, Lucid's electric instant power, BMW's high-rev twin-turbo efficiency, and Golf R's compact turbocharged agility are all on full display. The race communicates to viewers not just who is fastest, but how different engineering philosophies achieve performance, demonstrating American muscle, electric innovation, and the science of speed. Ultimately, the 2026 Corvette ZR1X proves that American engineering can not only compete, but excel at hypercar-level acceleration. Its combination of hybrid torque, all-wheel drive traction, advanced aerodynamics, and meticulous tuning has allowed it to challenge and nearly match the Lucid Air Sapphire. The BMW M2 CS and Volkswagen Golf R provide a tangible frame of reference for fans, showing the scale of performance from hot hatch to production hypercar. the Corvette ZR1X, Lucid Sapphire, BMW M2CS, and Volkswagen Golf R each represent a different approach to speed, from hybrid torque to electric instant power, from twin-turbo refinement to all-wheel drive hatchback efficiency. And when all four collide on a single runway, the result is a visually stunning, technically precise, and unforgettable performance battle. The Corvette ZR1X, with 1,250 combined horsepower and 973 pound-feet of torque, stands as America's boldest answer to the fastest cars on the planet. The Lucid Sapphire validates electric acceleration as a serious contender. The M2CS and Golf R illustrate the spectrum of speed and capability in modern vehicles, providing context for what fast really means. In conclusion, this race demonstrates the ultimate in production car performance. Engine force, torque application, weight management, transmission tuning, aerodynamics, and tire technology all collide in a real-world cinematic showdown. The 2026 Corvette ZR1X is not just America's fastest car, it is a statement that hybrid engineering and aggressive design can unseat even the most powerful electric sedans. The Lucid Air Sapphire, BMW M2CS, and Volkswagen Golf R complete the narrative, creating a full-spectrum comparison that fans, engineers, and enthusiasts will study for years. This is modern automotive performance captured in its purest, most aggressive, and cinematic form. Love the speed. 365 action. Smash that like, drop your comment, and subscribe now. Don't miss the next adrenaline-packed ride.